yazi mawuthatha le 4 minus 1 is 3. Today is 3. And uma uthatha tomorrow is 4. Sundowns ishayi 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Sunday ngiyabirthday kuyoba ku 5 saka April. So Sundowns for me na
Happy birthday in advance.
No, iyenza izinto zibe right. And ukhumbule ukuthi le team yesonto Mr. Ba busy emabandleni eMoria ku busy today. So I team yesonto so nala makhalazo uyabona ukuthi amakhalazo wesonto la. So congratulations man kuMamelodi Sundowns Mr.
So mangabe sifuna thina ileague ingawinwa iSundowns kuzomela siyoguqa kuntatele Khanyana ukuthi ngicela ubanike break. Please give them a break for 1 year.
Yazi wenzeni Mr. uma ufuna iSundowns ingawini league. You must try by all means ukuthi uthandaza lama team adlala neSundowns ukuthi adrop iSundowns idrop ema point against le team. Ngikhani iSundowns ingayiluza le league.
In other words, mele idliwe iPirates iSundowns.
Kumele
iPirates ingalinda ama favor kwabanye abantu.
Ingalinda ama favor kwabanye abantu. If iPirates izokwazi ukudla iSundowns kuyoba lula for iPirates ukuthi izwinele ileague because ikwazi manje phela izothembela kubo Chip. UChip uzokubuza ndoda labantu bahlule wena mina ngizoba yini.
What do you expect me to do here?
We understand.
The new Corolla Cross, filled with life.